If you're not a stylist and you don't always do it yourself, give them one tip that can take them to the top.
Products are going to make your life so much easier. We can't make beautiful hair without the products we have. If you took all the products away from me, my styles wouldn't look as beautiful. So using the right products.
But you're always beautiful.
Your clients, make sure you're getting the right products to do your hair and getting that desired result.
Our styling products are sponsored by Beverly Hills. Mac, thank you, Mac. She actually sponsored the Vanderlei Hair Industries, and also by Beverly Hills. So tell us what products we're using today on our amazing model, Shelby.
So today we started with detangling spray. That's going to be your prepper. This is kind of like adding a smoother to clean out all the holes. So your hair has all the holes in it and we're filling it in. Shut up, Jason. So that's our first prep. And then after that, we're going to use 5-in-1. It's going to be your leave-in.
Right.
Okay? So it's going to help you smooth out your hair. It's going to protect you from the sun. I know it's hard to focus when you have this crazy man behind you. You want 5-in-1.
That's okay. What's our third product?
So next, I'm going to add that with our coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil has argan oil. It's grapeseed. It's amazing. It really helps heal the hair. It's not just smoothing. So there's no silicone. So it's just going to help heal and smooth. 2-in-1.
2-in-1. So step 1 is clear out the holes. Step 2, smooth out the hair. And step 3 is heal it, right?
Yep, heal the hair.
Right on.